Cabinet Minister and UDP leader Paul Lyngdoh acknowledged the VPP's rise as a key player in Meghalaya, noting that populist waves are often temporary. He expressed respect for the election results and the people's mandate.
Well, we respect the mandate of the people and we certainly accept it with all humility. Yes, every election throws its own surprises. But the emergence of the VPP as a significant player in Meghalaya's politics is now a confirmed reality. But to us, politics is always in a state of flux. Nothing is permanent, and therefore we are sure that we will bounce back. We will certainly need to introspect. The party leadership will meet shortly to take stock of the situation. See, if you go by the reports of even the Shillong Times, it clearly spoke about VPP riding on a populist wave. So populism does not last long in politics. It's very temporary, and this is a temporary setback for the UDP, but we are confident of bouncing back very soon.
UDP President Paul Lyngdoh, who addressed the media today, said that the party is yet to assess the reasons for the defeat of its candidate in the recent MP elections in Meghalaya.
As a party, we are going to review as far as the performance of the party is concerned in this election and see how do we move forward from now as far as the party is concerned. Things keeps on changing from time to time, and but it's up to the party, whatever. Not to say exactly a wake-up call, but I think from time to time we have to look at the performance of our party and see, as I've said, what needs to be done from the party level to move forward from here.